Alright, let's make a tic-tac-toe out of a 2x4 piece of scrap wood. I mark and I drilled 2 3/8 holes on the side of the 2x4. These 2 holes will serve as storage for the marbles when you're not using the game. But I can't go deep enough with the drill press, so I will finish using my cordless drill. And before we move to the next step, I'm using my router to round all the edges. Rounded edges give a project a softer, smoother look, and also rounding the edges make it more durable because it won't show any dent, splinter, or it won't lose the finish as easily as a sharp corner. Now I mark the location of each marbles on the top of the game. Then, using a large drill bit, I drill some countersink hole using my drill press, so that way the marble will stay in place when playing the game. I use my drill press for this step because I can add a stopper, so that way the bit can't drill too far and this will make a nice countersink. Now, a quick sanding on all the countersink and all the edges to give the tic-tac-toe a smooth finish. To prevent the marbles from coming out of the game, I will add a small piece of wood over the holes we drilled earlier. I first make a pilot hole into the 2x4, then I do the same into the small piece of wood. I also drill a countersink so the screw can sit flush. Now I sand the small piece to give it a rounded edge. Alright, I make a quick test here to make sure everything's fit inside, then I can add the finish. I stained my project with a exterior wood stain that I already had. The color is Boat House from Seco Paint. I groove a small line with my router to make the tic-tac-toes line. I make 2 passes on each side. And if you don't have a table router, you can skip this part and just make your lines with a permanent marker. But I feel like the groove will give you a better result. I'm adding some bumpers to the bottom so the game won't slip when playing. And the last step is to screw the little piece of wood in place. Make sure the screw is tight enough so it won't open by itself when stored in your backpack, for example. And voila! We are now ready to play a tic-tac-toe game. Have fun guys, see you next time, bye bye.